Hi everybody, it's Creative Sarah here, ready to do a custom ink Patriotic tumbler. So I found this really cute Patriotic tumbler and I'm going to use this Home of the Brave transfer that came in my Stars and Stripes Forever transfer. This tumbler I found at my local Meijer store. It's like a grocery store, and it's a 16-ounce tumbler. And so I'm just going to, and it's metal. It's got that cool ombre effect. And I'm going to use some white Chalkology ink. Remember, you want to make sure you're using ink on the metal tumbler. And I'm just covering, when I apply the silk screen, made sure that there were no bubbles or wrinkles. And then I'm applying the ink right there, and I am going to kind of put that away so that I don't have any ink on my hands or anything. And then I'm gonna remove the transfer, slowly peel it. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh my goodness, so cool. So next is we have to dry this ink completely. That's really important when you're inking on a hard surface. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my, doesn't that look so good? Yes. So I'm going to get my quick dry tool and I'm going to dry this completely. I will dry it on here, but note that I will probably let it sit overnight to make sure it's thoroughly dry all the way through. Then we just have to finish it. So go ahead and preheat your oven for 300 degrees. You are going to bake this for 40 minutes. Make sure you take the plastic cap off the lid. And basically that's it. Guys, check out creativesarah.com for more information.